learning an instrument is a very rewarding but also extremely long and complex process. Today, I'm going to show you how you can use GarageBand, free on Apple devices, to create some cool tracks and sounds, even if you're more Harry Potter than Harry Styles. 3, 2, 1, hit it! I'm going to start today by showing you smart instruments. Great, even if you don't play an instrument. Let's add a beat using drums and a bass guitar. You can explore how each category has a range of instruments and different ways of generating music. Let's have a listen. When I'm happy, I tap the record button at the top of the screen to record my first 8 bars. Of course, tracks are usually always longer than 8 bars, so don't forget to add new sections as you build up your song. Once you've got a few instruments and something that you're happy with, we need to mix it to get the balance and volumes right. Slide from the left-hand side of the screen to adjust the volume levels for each individual layer. We're going to the next level. Let's look at live loops and live mixes. Rather than selecting tracks, I'm going to move across to this live loop section. Here, we can choose from a range of different genres and styles with some preset sounds to play around with. Let's go for a nice funky vibe. When we open it up, we have a load of sounds on a grid. Tap through and listen to each one. You can choose up to 1 square per instrument. If you prefer, you can also record your own samples. Tap on an empty grid and record your own. To add an extra level of personalisation, GarageBand also lets us live mix our tracks like a superstar DJ. Tap on the effects button at the top. Here we have a number of DJ tools to alter and distort the sound. Play around with some of the effects like I am here. Nearly there. Let's add in some vocals to really put the finishing touches on our song. There's a few different ways that we can add our voice. Try changing it up using the effects. I think I need some auto-tune. Get on down, get on down, get on down, get on down. We can also use the sampler to record our voice or another sound and then play it back in different notes.
Get on down.
Get on down.
Get on down.
So there we go. We'd love to hear what you create, so share your jams with us on the socials using the hashtag 3Discovery. Now over to me to play us out. Catch you next time.